how to use the Google Keyword Planner. So this is a very easy tutorial, but first let us know what is this a Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so Google Keyword Planner, previously Google Keyword Tool, is a free Google Ads. Its primary goal is to assist you in finding the best keywords for Google Ads campaigns, in case you don't know anything about this keyword tool. Despite being a PPC service, it is frequently used for SEO purposes. The fact that it is free and delivers quality keyword ideas directly from Google. Google Keyword Planner was not designed to be a tool for keyword search and SEO. Its primary goal is to assist you with your Google Ads paid search campaigns. So to start, you just have to enter products or services here or any words that you want to ask for keywords. For example, we have here fitness classes. Now, once you tap get results, then you will see here keyword ideas. So it is also categorized to average monthly searches, a 3-month change, and then competition and so on. So as you can see here, we have keyword by relevance. Above, you can see options such as your location, the language, and the year. Okay, so all you have to do is simply tap that one if you want to enter a location. So going back, we have here options such as monthly searches, 3 months, year change, competition, ad impression, type of page speed, type of page speed with low and high reach, and also account status. So if you want to change your location to, or if you want your target customer or audience is within this specific country, then all you have to do is to search the country right here, tap the name. You can add different locations if you want to. And then once you're done with this, then all you have to do is just click save. Okay. And then your, of course, ads will appear to the specific locations and places. Okay. So that's how you enter a location here. Okay. So for a language, if you want to change your language, you just have to change your language right here. Now, for the year, you can change this to last month, last 12 months. If you want to see the result within the specific time range, then all you have to do is to select what is suitable for you. But for me, I have to choose, of course, this 12 months. Let's just say 1 year. Okay, to be exact. Okay, so this is how you filter results here with the place, language, and time. Now, going back, as you can see, we have here the result for the keyword relevance. So if you tap each of the features here, as you can see, 3 months, so you can see shows the 3-month change in search. So if you want to see 3-month change in search, you just have to look at this area right here. This one compares the monthly search volume of the latest month with the same month of previous year. Competition shows how competitive ad placement is for a keyword, specifically location and search network targeting options that you have selected. So you can see here the competition between low, medium, and high. So this one is low, this one is medium, this one is high. Everything is up to you if you want to share this or use this. Ad impression share is the number of impressions you receive divided by the total number of searches for the location at network you have targeted. Okay, tap of page speed, tab of page speed, low range shows the lower range. Of course, it is easily understood. Okay. Also for the tab of page speed, high range shows the higher range of the keywords that you can use. Okay, so these are the meaning of these features right here. So we have your keyword view, we have your columns, and as you can see here, these are the keywords that you can use for a Google Ads campaign. But what if you wanted to filter some words that you think you can't use for a Google Ads campaign? How are you going to add or filter some negative or you don't want to use words or keywords here? So to do that, all you have to do is to simply go to this ad filter right here that is next to exclude adult ideas. Tap that one and what you want to do is to look for keywords. Okay, so let me tap it first. Ad filter and then look for keywords. Okay, or keyword. And then here you have options, but what you want to do is to select this does not contain. Okay. And then here you can now type or enter the keywords or words that you want to include to your Google Ads campaign or to your keyword for your products or for your store. For example, you don't want, or you want to filter, or you want to remove these words such as when, where, yes, no, however, whenever. And then after that, what you want to do is to click apply. And then if people, type this, for example, if they go to Google and type this, then probably your products will not appear. You can also include like DIY, cheap, something like that. Or if you are not selling the specific brand, then you can also add the type of brand here. Okay? And you can add more. So does that contain and then add some keywords that you don't want to include to your campaign. Now let's know what is this refined keywords and how important it is. Okay, so if you go to refine keywords here, then probably you can see options or features like brand, activity, exercise, and other things. So if you tap this one here, then you can simply deselect any keywords here that you think is not necessary. So all you have to do is to tap. Scroll down and tap more keywords that are not relevant. You can categorize ideas based on the features of your product or service, as color, size, and more by refining keywords. For example, suppose you're looking for keywords connected to dry skin. In the past, you've had it to sift through thousands of keyword suggestions. So you may now filter attributes to include or exclude keyword suggestions relating to fitness classes, something like that. Okay, so once you're done, then you can save this. So again, you can just deselect some keywords here that are not necessary. So that is the importance of this refined keywords right here. It also gives you a vivid idea on what keywords you can use and what keywords you don't need to use on your Google Ads campaign. So everything is right here. Just deselect, or you can deselect all of this if you think that these are not necessary for your Google Ads campaign. Okay, so that's how easy it is. You can explore for more features right here, but the main point for this keyword planner is, of course, to give you an idea or any keyword ideas that are really relevant and can help you promote your Google Ads campaign or your product or your store. So that's it. You just have to get results. You can filter, you can add keywords. You can see here the recent activities and results when you use these keywords right here. So the value you receive from Keyword Planner is primarily determined by the information you enter here. As a result, you must be very selective about what you enter into this field. For example, fitness classes. So in order to assist you get the most out of this tool, go over to each of the options. So first we have here average monthly search. So what does it mean? So average monthly search is the amount of times individuals search for the precise keyword based on the geography and search network targeting that you've chosen. This is useful for removing keywords with a high search volume. After all, these terms are quite competitive. You may also choose to exclude keywords with a low search volume. You can select average to arrange your results. Select monthly searches. So assume you receive a large number of keyword suggestions. This way, you will only see keywords with a high search volume. You can also do the inverse. Select average, return to monthly searches to get a list of low volume terms. So that's the importance of average monthly searches. So let's move on to this 3-month change. Okay, so 3-month change compares the latest month's data with the data from 2 months prior to indicate a 3-month change in search trends. For example, the most recent month is July. July data would be compared to May data to demonstrate the difference in search volume over 3 months. 3-month trending type, this indicates whether the trend for the keyword is increasing or decreasing or just maintaining flat. So next we have here is this year-over-year change. So the year-over-year change compares the latest month's monthly search volume to the same month the prior year. This graph depicts the shift in search trends between the most recent month and the previous one. So you will see all the result right here. We have here competition. So you can limit the Google Keyword Planner to only show keywords with low, medium, or high competition. Keyword competition indicates how difficult it will be to rank for a specific keyword. The competitiveness for a keyword might vary based on how popular the keyword is and how competitive the industry is. So that's the importance of it. This feature irritates a lot of people. Remember that the Google keyword is only for Google Ads, not SEO. So the competition score here only applies to the AdWords competition, not how difficult it is to rank for the phrase in Google's organic search result. As a result, I recommend leaving this field empty. So that's it. Now, the next one here is this ad impression share. Okay, so in Google Keyword Planner, what is this ad impression share? Ad impression share, the number of times your ad will be seen divided by the total number of searches for your exact keyword in the last month for your chosen location and network. This setting, once again, only pertains to AdWords. So we can ignore this filter for the sake of SEO. As we have here, top of page bid, low, and high. So this is the amount you should anticipate to pay to have your ad appear at the top of the page for that term. The top of the page is a proxy for commercial purpose. You can limit this to a specific price amount if you just want to target terms that are potential purchases search for. The alternatives are high range and low range. So if you set the low range to a few dollars, you can set that for yourself. You can set the settings wherever you like because that is your Google Ads campaign. Okay, so now that you've learned how to use all of the Google Keyword Planner's tools, features, and options, it's time for the next step, and that is identifying excellent keywords to optimize your site's content around. So this is a little bit tricky because there are numerous aspects to consider while selecting a keyword. We have to learn from a best example. So in this section, I'm going to show you words or options that are easier or easiest way to find new keywords in Google Keyword Planner. First, consider a term that is broad but also describes your product, service, or content idea. As an example, suppose you can run an e-commerce site that sells organic products. You wouldn't want to use a term tea, or let's just say that's what we call health benefits of organic tea. That is too narrow. However, if you use keywords such as organic tea, then I think that would be fantastic and great. How to choose, or how do you know which keywords to choose? There are numerous variables to consider. However, in general, I like to select keyword based on three basic criteria, which is search volume, commercial intent, and organic SEO competition. So for search volume, the higher the average search volume, the more traffic that keyword might send you. That is a very basic or easily understood. So commercial intent in general, the higher the competition and suggested bid, the easier it will be to convert the traffic into paying consumers when they land on your website. Okay, to sum up everything, you can utilize the Google Ads Keyword Planner to acquire keyword suggestions and grow your list. Simply enter a term, phrase, or URL relating to what you want to market, and then select appropriate keywords from the results. After the program has generated some preliminary ideas, you can use the best of this to produce even more precise ideas. If you have a large number of keywords, it may be beneficial to develop different ads based on a few highly targeted keywords. You can alter the language and location options to guarantee that your ads are seen by the relevant individuals. Also, ensure that your location targeting accurately matches where you do business. You can set your location based on where your clients are. Customized targeting can be quite accurate. Your ad only will be shown to people in the area you designate, such as those within 10 miles of your business. So be cautious and aware about that. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.